I study at Birmingham City University and a few of my friends study at Aston University. The amazing part is we all live at the Pavilion. It's the best location in town.
Everything is so simple and convenient here.
Rooms here are really spacious. I have this really comfortable 3/4 size bed. Whenever I'm studying, I take advantage of this super fast broadband connection. We are truly connected wherever we go.
Birmingham is a perfect city to study in. When you live at the Pavilion, you live in the heart of the city. I feel at home whilst living here. The atmosphere is so vibrant and dynamic, and I really feel my network has grown here.
In terms of location and facilities, the Pavilion knocks any other student accommodation out of the park.